Hello everyone, welcome to my backyard. I wanted to make this video as an introduction to community ecology. We just learned about population ecology, and that's the same species living together. I've had really nothing to do but look out my window, and I've kind of improved my garden a bit. Normally I'm so busy in the spring. So now, oh, I just had a bird fly through. I can sit in my window and see one northern cardinal come up. That's one organism. Usually there's 2 or 3 northern cardinals though. Remember, that's a population. But what a community is if you just sit and look at everything that's alive in the area you're looking at. This can be a little square foot patch of grass, which is amazing how many different living things are there. Or if you go to a park. For example, here at this bird feeder, I've seen downy woodpeckers, these little birds called nuthatches that are cute, all kinds of cardinals and sparrows. I have different plants here. I've got some roses, some hydrangeas. I have seen back over here, we were sitting once and a big raccoon came down. That was a little scary. I ran back inside. I've got in the back, all the way in the back of my yard, I've noticed every evening comes out this groundhog. He's a big groundhog that must live back there. I've never noticed him before. Again, as you're sweeping this area, it's just the living things. In my garden, I've got some beans I'm trying to grow, and some peas, and some kale, and some lettuce. Those are all parts of our community, only the living things. If you look at my daughter's like homemade gym here, you can see the rocks, the log, all the air, the sun, the wind. The rain when it came yesterday, and it's calling for it tomorrow, is all part of the ecosystem, which is the next level up. I'm just going to scan back to see if we have any birds coming while I talk about it. But and above, oh, there's a dragonfly too. And above an ecosystem, which includes biotic and abiotic factors, is a biome, and that's really interesting. That's your tundra and your desert and your rainforest. That'll be our next unit. But I'm also going to put up a video of a foldable that you can do that talks about all those levels of our world, all the way, really, if you think about, we started at cells all the way up to our whole biosphere. We're going to be focusing in again this week on communities, which is going to be really cool because we're going to talk about symbiotic relationships. Those are parasites, mutualistic relationships, commensalistic relationships, and we're going to talk about predator-prey. So thanks for continuing your studies in life science. And again, the best way to learn about it is to just, like I said, get outside and observe. Thanks, and talk to you soon.